welcome back to my channel, Tiff on the Block. Welcome you guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm just going to jump right in. So you guys, this is my October favorites video. I tried my best to post this video before October was over, but October was such a busy month for me. I just was not able to do it. So I'm just gonna give you guys this video again of my favorites, all of my favorite items, whether it be hair care, oral care, body care, for the month of October. So keep on. All right, you guys, so the first item that I want to present to you all, this is a body wash item, is the Lumi item. So you guys probably heard of this brand, but basically Lumi is like a deodorizing body wash soap. So they have deodorants, they have body creams, they also have like body washes. This is the one that I use as far as the body wash. Now, this is my second one. This is an empty one. Look, it's empty, nothing left, because this stuff is so amazing. Like literally, if you deal with body odors, body smells, all types, especially in the women area, underarm smell, musty smell, this is what you need to get, okay? First and foremost, I'm going to link everything that I'm going to be talking about in this video below, so don't you guys worry, okay? But yes, it removes odor better than soap, and I 100% agree with this. Again, it is acidic. It's basically an acidic body wash, and it is pH optimized to control your odor. So again, this is just a closer look of the item. And this smell was toasted coconut, and this is my second bottle. This is lavender sage. Okay, so again, this will change your life. If you deal with odor everywhere, all in the nooks and crannies of your body, you can use this because it works. Okay, I swear by this works. All right, FYI, I heard that this also helps lighten dark spots because of the acidity in this. I don't know how true this is. I haven't noticed as much of a difference, especially those that get like bikini waxes and shaves down in the woman parts. I heard that this can help lighten that area. I haven't quite experienced that yet, but if I do, I will let you all know. Okay. Second item that I'm going to talk about is the organic castor oil. So I got this off of Amazon as well. And basically, you guys know oils in itself are just amazing products for moisture for the body. I use this for my body. I use this for my eyebrows and my eyelashes for better growth. I also use this on my navel area. So I heard if you use like on your navel, first of all, your navel, it connects most of the nerves in your body. So having oil in there, it just kind of helps energizes you, regenerates you, gives you healthy skin, healthy complexion. So I've been using this one. Now, I've always used castor oil, but I'm just now trying this brand by Verdana. So again, this so far so good. It's been amazing. My face has been more moisturized. My skin has been more moisturized, especially with us getting into the colder seasons. You definitely want to get something to moisturize your skin. So this is something that I've definitely picked up, and that definitely works. All right, you guys. So the next item on my list, I'm going to go also, I'm still in body care, is soap. So I've been using just like basic soaps, you know what I'm saying? As long as they smell good and they're healthy, I've been using basic soaps, but I'm getting back into my Dove phase. So nothing is wrong with Dove. I don't really know why I stopped, actually because I was using the body washes instead. But y'all, I got back on board with my Dove bar soaps. Y'all already know, Dove is just like the OG. You can do no wrong with Dove soap. So I got back to the regular Dove beauty cream bar for healthy glowing skin, moisturizing cream. And y'all, especially for the colder seasons, you need soaps and lotions and things like that that will moisturize your skin. So if you are looking for a soap that's going to do that for you, especially for the colder seasons, I highly recommend to get on board with Dove soap. Okay, so again, I bought a package of Dove I think off of Amazon. Again, I will link all of that below. But yeah, y'all know the OG Dove soap is always the number one. So moving right along to face washes. So I don't really use a lot of face washes. I try to stick with, you know, the basics. But if you caught my last favorites video, I talked about the ROC face pads. I always use those. Those are amazing. So I wanted to also stick around that line and get like an actual face wash. And this is what I picked up, the ROC Multi-Correction Revive and Glow Gel Cleanser. I love this stuff. Vitamin C and glycolic acid. Now, I use a lot of vitamin C products anyway, so I already knew that I was going to like this because I use the actual serums. But having it as a gel cleanser, that's just like extra. And I've gotten so many compliments on my skin. They're like, are you wearing makeup? Are you doing? No, like I usually only wear makeup if I'm doing like videos and things like that. But for the most part, I don't wear makeup. I don't wear foundation. I may wear my lashes. I may fill in my brows a bit, but that's it. That's because I'm feeling more and more confident just with my regular skin because of the items that I use. And like I said, vitamin C serums are the best. Also, putting it in your face washes, it only makes it better. So if you want to invest in something that has vitamin C in it for more glowy skin, this is something that you should definitely check out. Again, I got this from Amazon as well. Okay. All right, moving right along. So for a long time, I've dealt with body acne, or they call it backne, I guess. I don't know if you all can see kind of in this video a little bit of my acne and dark spots, but I've dealt with it a lot. I've dealt with it a lot. And you probably can see, but it used to be worse than that. I've got my hands on this product, y'all. It's been a blessing. It has truly been a blessing. If you deal with body acne, you got to get this, okay? So I've always, I tried this product brand for other things, for like face acne, and it worked. I did not know they had it for back acne as well. Here it goes, different. Y'all, get your hands on this. If you're dealing with body acne, get your hands on this. So I got this from Amazon. It is acne treatment. It has 2% salicylic acid in it, maximum strength. And y'all, this works. Disclaimer, when you're putting this on, please be in an open vented area because this stuff will suffocate you. I don't know why the smell is so strong, but it's a lot. But yeah, just be in an open ventilated area. And basically you just spray it. Like if you see it, I'm gonna try to spray it. It's just like a mist. So you just spray it on your back, boom, and that's it. It's an amazing product. All right, you guys, and on to the next item. So this is more so with oral care. So you guys know, like, I don't play about my teeth. I don't play about my gums, my teeth health, going to the dentist every 6 weeks. Like, I do not play about my oral care. So for the most part, the type of mouthwash I use, the Listerine, the purple Listerine, with the alcohol in there, that's the kind that I use most of the time. However, my older sister Angie, she was just telling me how her dentist was telling her about, her dental hygienist was telling her about a specific type of mouthwash and how it was pH balanced and it does well for the teeth and helps with cavity prevention and things like that. And I was like, okay, I have to give this a try. So I haven't been using this for too long, but I got it last month. It is called Carefree Maintenance Rinse Anti-Cavity Oral Rinse. And I have it in the taste of mint, and it is pH elevated. So I've definitely been using this. I got this off of Amazon as well. I think I spent about $17 for this. And so far, so good, y'all. It's been really just making my mouth feel extra clean, like extra clean. And one thing that I do like about this now, for me, I can take the alcohol levels that are in mouthwash. I know some of them are extremely hot, extremely. And a lot of times it's Listerine. But this one is very mild. And that is something that I do like. It's not as hot as the other like Listerine, but it's very mild. So if you don't like something that's really like hot and you barely can gargle, this is definitely something that you can definitely try, especially for someone as well. If you're someone that's prone to cavities and just a lot of issues with your dental work, all of that, this is definitely something that you want to pick up because I believe it has had a great effect on my teeth. Again, I haven't used it for too long, but so far so good. So I definitely will recommend this to you all. All right, and last but not least, again with personal care. So you got ladies, for us, You know, that time of the month, so you know you have your pads and things like that. And then after your period is going up, you have panty liners. So when I was home in Missouri, I went to the Dollar Tree. It was a Dollar Tree, y'all. And I was just like, okay, man, I gotta go pick up some panty liners. And y'all, I bumped into these beautiful babies. I'm never gonna go back to regular panty liners because, to be honest, a lot of panty liners irritate me, and I don't like that. But this, y'all. So these are day liners with organic cotton. First of all, I didn't really know that organic panty liners exist, but they do. So I have, these are organic panty liners. I spent $1, y'all, $1 for these at the Dollar Tree in Missouri, Jefferson City. So again, they are organic cotton. There's 18 counts, 100% in cotton. And there are 18 counts. And y'all, these changed my life. First of all, I've never found panty liners that actually have organic ingredients in it. And like I said, these have aloe, these are aloe infused and lavender infused. They smell amazing. So when I got my hands on this, I literally went back to that Dollar Tree and I probably bought about 12 packs of these in total before I left to go back home to New York. Like, I was not playing. But these were $125, I should say, because I forgot the Dollar Tree is no longer just $1. $1.25, y'all. Ladies, if you want something that's more on the organic side for panty liners, you got to pick these up. Now, I did see that Amazon, they sell these, but they're like $7 on Amazon. $7 freaking dollars for 18 count. They're $7. So if you want to get a deal, you need to try to find the Dollar Tree in your area and pick these up from there, because otherwise, if you get them off of Amazon, they're $7 a pack, which is not even cool, not even cool. But ladies, yes. So that ends my October favorites video. I hope this video was informational for you ladies. Again, I'm going to link everything that I talked about in this video below so that you can go pick it up yourself. I love you ladies. You guys have a great day, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.